Hello everybody, I am the Piston 11 back with another review, and now I'll be taking a look at Tractor. Yeah. So, remember the first Cars movie, Lightning and Mater go tractor tipping, and there's like about 20 tractors in a field? Well, back in 2006, one of the first ever diecasts to be released ever was a tractor. Funny enough, it was included with Luigi and Guido in a 2-pack, which I still think is pretty funny, yet ironically good of a 2-pack. So yeah, that's his initial release, and there's been a ton of tractors already by now released by Mattel. There's the tractor with tire, which I also have. There's a bunch of racing tractors from Cars 3. But yeah, we'll be taking a look at just the regular old tractor. So let's get into the review. So yeah, it's supposed to be a tractor cow. It's supposed to be a cow, but it's a tractor because that's what cows are in the Cars world. But yeah, so he's got a kind of a calm expression. He's kind of sleepy, and he's got a bunch of like brown spots all around, really cool. And he's got the Chowal logo, and you can see the engine molded, which is pretty cool. Then here you have kind of like the this cap, and you have the exhaust pipe here. Then you got the wheels with like kind of a greenish kind of rim. Then here you have the big tractor wheels on the back. These are like very detailed, pretty cool. Oof. And yeah, here in the back he's got the back window and the side windows, and the mirrors are supposed to be ears, which is pretty cool. Yeah, it says Disney Pixar down there. And he's got the China and just a white logo there. The white code. And yeah, he's holding on with only one rivet, which is strange because normally cars have like at least 2, but this guy's pretty small, I would say, so yeah, makes sense. But yeah, that's pretty much all for the tractor. He's been released a lot of times actually, but not too many. Again, as I said before, he was released in 2006 and 2007 and 8 in 2-packs and multi-packs. Then in like 2015 he got his first release as a deluxe, which was very dumb because he totally fits in a normal package, which is what they do nowadays. These are now singles, not deluxes. And I remember the way I got the tractor and the other tractor I have, which is the exact same. I got them through a Toys R Us exclusive pack that came with Lightning McQueen, Mater, 2 tractors, and the exclusive yellow hydraulic Ramon, which is not exclusive anymore, but at least the China variant still is. But yeah, that's how I got my tractors. And yeah, I can't wait to get the future release of Made in Thailand tractor, because that would be interesting, since the tractor with tire in mouth looks really nice. And yeah, anyways, let me know which of the tractor variants is your favorite, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.